Hello friends, welcome to learning plumbing system in Revit MEP. So far we have discussed about how to place the plumbing fixtures in our model, how to set up hot water and cold water supply lines, and how to model ventilation, sanitary and drain pipes. Now in this video we will discuss how to connect pipe and ventilation pipe using the pipe fitting. So we will open the 3D model. So this is our 3D model and we have model up to this point so far. So I will be go to the left elevation view or directly clicking on left from the view cube. Obviously, if you are not able to see this view cube, you can go to the view user interface and view cube should be turned on in the 3D view. In the plan view, view cube will not be visible. It will be visible only in the 3D view. So we will go to the system tab and here there is option of pipe fitting, PEF. Okay, so we will use this pipe fitting and here there are some different connections are there. So we will use the standard connection, that is generic T connection, and we will place, before we will place, as you can see all the lines are displayed in a thin, very thick, so I will be turn on the thin line. So now it will be display very thin, and now you have to place the connector very accurately. So as you can see, this is my slope of the line, so that snapping and center of this pipe should be exactly matching, and once that has been done, you have to click. So as you can see, your connection is now placed very nicely. Similarly, you have to repeat the same steps at here like this, and you have to snap to this inclined pipe center line as well, and you have to click. So these are the two connections that we have placed. So if you will be seeing the 3D view, as you can see, these are the two connections which we have created. So what I will do, I will be select this pipe and drag this connection to this T connection. So simply select and drag in the same line and make sure it should be snapped properly. Similarly, here as well, select and drag to the same line, make sure it will be snapped properly. Now do the same steps at here as well. So here one connection, here another connection, both connections are there. So if you have not created the connection, you can create the connection using pipe fitting command. So simply you have to select and click and drag. Make sure it will be snapping properly. Okay, so we have connected all the drain pipes to the sanitary pipes and vent pipe. So as you can see, connection has been done very properly. Now we will move forward on the west elevation, and we will create some reference plane in order to get the reference for the next pipe placing. So in the architecture tab, there is a command of reference plane, and we will create a reference plane from here to here, here to here, and here to here, center. And from we will use the wireframe visual style, and from the center of the sink as well. Okay, so in this video we have created pipe fitting and ventilation fittings. Now in the last video of the plumbing system topic, that is connecting and adjusting pipe fittings, and we will complete this topic as well. So we will meet on the next video, that is last video of this topic, plumbing fixtures using Revit MEP.